Hey, I'm Doug. I went out thrifting today and yesterday and the day before, and I got some pretty good records. Whoa! You guys are gonna love what I found today. Oh boy, yeah. All right, well, let's look down here. So, okay, I bought some cassette tapes. Okay. All right. So, the first record I got, it's on cassette tape, so I guess it's kind of a record, but kind of not. It's Black Sabbath. So right here is Paranoid. Paranoid kicks ass. Love Paranoid. Alright, so the second record that I got is one of my favorite bands from the 70s. They had a hit song called Godzilla. Blue Oyster Cult. Right here. So, this album has dominance and submission. Great record. Yeah, you can see I have Ozzy on my hat. So my next record I found is the Hollies. Now, I'm not really much of a Hollies fan, but I bought it just because I think it might be worth a little bit of money. There's the Hollies record. Alright, moving right along. The next record that I have to show you is Judas Priest. Point of Entry. Heading out to the highway, I got nothing to lose at all. Yeah, that's what I loved. Hot rockin'. So, here is my Point of Entry record. Right here. It's a really good album. I love it. Oh, what do we have here? Another Sabbath record. Wow, I can't get enough Black Sabbath. You know me. Sabbath. Black Sabbath. This record has Into the Void. So now we're gonna get a little bit more obscure. It's an older band from about 1978, 79. They were one of the only really metal bands around in the United States when the new wave of British heavy metal was going on. They were called Riot. It's R-I-O-T. And this album called Narita. It's pretty good. There's an instrumental one called Narita on this record that is amazing. So here's the Narita record. Narita. Riot. Good album. So, let's see. Uh-oh. Hold on. I dropped some tapes. So now, I'm going to tell you about a band, one of my favorite bands from the 80s. Leppard. So right here we have their first real album called On Through the Night. So this is a good album. Not my favorite, but a good album. I think I got a couple more over here. Let me move this out of the way. High and Dry. Now, High and Dry is my favorite. It's got Saturday night high, Saturday night high and dry. Yeah, that's my favorite song. Anyway, I gotta go. That's about all the reviews I have for today of some cassettes that I bought. Thank you. I'm Mommy's Little Metalhead. Bye-bye.